Every great industrial product starts with a single idea. But how do you ensure that idea works in the real world before committing to mass production? In manufacturing, a small design flaw can lead to massive losses. That's why at Indoplasko, we don't just manufacture, we validate through precision prototyping. Our prototyping service begins with rigorous engineering alignment. We analyze your requirements, optimize the 3D design for manufacturability, and identify potential challenges early on. Using advanced CNC technology and high-grade materials, we create functional prototypes that mimic the final product's strength, fit, and performance. Prototyping at Indoplasko is about more than just a sample. It's about de-risking your investment, accelerating your time to market, and ensuring consistent quality from the very first unit. Don't leave your product's success to chance. Partner with Indoplasko and turn your concept into a market-ready reality. Visit Indoplasko.com to start your prototyping journey today.